What is happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So let's begin right away with unboxing this guy right here, the DJI Mini 2. And this I bought with my own money, and so this is not a sponsored video whatsoever, right? Not sponsored, no nothing. Very excited. I did had the version 1, but I returned that one because it did not handle windy conditions really well. Let's unbox it together. I am sweating because it's very hot. Let's see. It has some type of sealing. Alright, let's put a little bit center frame. Here we go. Ooh. Little bit a messy kind of unboxing. Alright, I always like the box. So here we go. Ooh, and this is, by the way, the Fly More combo. Comes in with this nice pouch and nothing else. Alright, cool. I like it. I like it. Okay. Alright. Cool, nice. Let's open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. Oh. Here it is. Oh, look how small it is. Just look at it. Look how small this is, guys. Cool. What do we got more? This is the controller. Huge controller, by the way. Accessories. Anything else? And some soft padding. I think that's it. Something here as well. Cables and stuff. Alright. Cool. Cool pouch, by the way. That's such a cool pouch. Put this here. Okay, what's this? The first thing we're going to open here. Come on. This is the quick start guide. Alright. Two-way charging hub. Blah. I'm gonna read it after making this video. Here we got something else. Oh, wow, it's quite a lot that you get, by the way. Charger, cables, charging cables, and I think this is the charging station. This is how you say it? Charging station. Ooh, with 2 batteries already inside of it. Ha! Cool, man. I like it a lot. Let's open up the controller. Open up the controller. Whew. Wow. This looks like a like an old school controller from back in the day when I was younger. Okay, you need to put it in here, I guess. That's funny, right? Those little pokey thingies. Alright, cool. How does this work? I don't know how this thing opens. Alright. Eject something? Do I need to pull it out? Oh, I need to pull it out. I need to pull it out. Okay, alright. Put it aside. We got some extra propellers. Is this extra propellers? Yes, those extra wingy thingies. I'm not even sure what it's called in English. There's quite a lot, by the way. So 3 sets. That's cool. Put that aside. This is a... what's this then? This is... it looks like a screwdriver. A mini screwdriver. Huh. Okay. Already got one of those. Some extra controller pokey thingies. I'm not sure how that is called. The charging cable, of course. Oh yeah. USB-C. And these type of cables go into your phone, right? Alright, cool. How does it even work? Oh, you can just pull it out. Okay, cool. Just pull it out. How do you charge this? On the side with this one right here, or with the USB-C. I think USB-C, put it like so, and this goes in like so. That is really cool. This goes into the phone. Not sure how that is working, but anyways, let's put those things aside and get to the main event. Oh, it's like a little case. That's cute. Ah. Ooh la la. Ooh. Let's put that aside. Ooh la la. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Just rip that thing off, man. Just rip the thing off. Right. Charge to activate the battery before first time use. Alright, I will do that. I will do that. I don't want to waste my batteries. Let's put it that way. I don't want to waste anything. Looking good, guys. 4K it says on the little gimbal camera thingy. I got one of those stickers stuck. Unfold the front arms forward. Toomp and toomp. Gonna remove this guy right here. And then here says unfold the rear arms downwards. Downwards. Almost sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Downwards. Looky, looky, looky. Look at this. Ha ha ha. This is my hand. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, but you know, this is also not the biggest drone in the world. Look at this, guys. There is a battery inside of it. I'm gonna charge it up. And you know what? It is a beautiful day today. I think I'm gonna head out to the beach and do some first shots. So, you know, that's it for this unboxing part. You will see the next thing and maybe my first initial thoughts and stuff. So that's it. See you in the next one.